Hey guys, it's Linda here. I want to tell you about a really special deal. Actually, two deals that you get to choose from. You want to take advantage of this because we don't have many. Not to say that we may not do this again, but right now we've got 40 of one bundle and 50 of the other. So let's start out with the name. This is cool. It's the Retreat Kit. Why is it a retreat kit? You go to your friend's house, you go to a retreat, you go on a cruise, you want to take this kit with you. First thing we've got is our wonderful ironing board. Now it's a little bit different. It's our no-slip pad, that no-slip that we use for our foot and that we use under our sewing machine, we put together in this cute little pillowcase. Fabrics will vary. This may not be the fabric you get. This is the 10 by 14 size. Or you can choose the 11 by 17.5 inch size. You'll notice the fabrics are different. This is a little pillowcase. There's a piece of batting inside, and we've got our no-slip bundle, that no-slip pad. The foot pad kind of thing, the machine pad kind of thing, that's what this is, double layer. So we're gonna use this for pressing. By the way, you can stick your stuff in here too, so you can use this to travel with. All right, so we've got that. We've got our cutting case. The cutting case, yeah, for your rotary cutter, but you can also take this little guy out and put all the other goodies that you need inside of here. If you already have this cutting case for your rotary cutter, then you'll have another to put all the extra goodies inside. We've got this cute little travel case. It's not lipstick. This has our needles, so if you do any handwork, this is perfect for that. We've got another cute little zipper case so you can put some of your tools in there. Push pins. These are the straight pins, and they are the flat heads, so you can press over these. We've got all kinds of great pins here. And then we've got our cutting mat. This is not our standard cutting mat. This is our 12 by 12. It's translucent, so you can hold it up to the light if you're doing any applique or any stencils or anything like that. You'll be able to do a lot with it as you travel. And then we've got our 1 by 6 ruler and the 2 by 6 ruler. These are so useful for all those little projects that you're doing, but for box pleats and positioning things. If you've got to measure out your darts, your pleats, or whatever it is, these are the way to go. And use one of our metallic markers on here to highlight those numbers so you can see. They've got the 1-inch grids. And then we've got our lanyard, the Martelli lanyard that has the Martelli logo on both the clip here and then on the ribbon. This is always great to keep your scissors or your tweezers or whatever you want. This is our iron buddy. You've got 6 different stilettos. These can handle the heat from your iron, and these are wonderful for all those appliques, for your mitered corners, all kinds of things. Watch our videos on this. My little to-do pad. I need to make a list of things to do because I always forget. So we've got that here. It's a wipe off, and we've given you the pen that's in there as well. And then those straight pins that I mentioned here, well, this is our slap wrist pin cushion. So this is great to hold all of those in anything metallic, and if you've lost anything, well, you just put that down over and pick up all your pins. And then we've got our nice little push tool here. This guy, push, prod, shove, get that right up underneath the ironing board or underneath the sewing machine. This tool, little rubberized here, is going to be useful for all kinds of things, including turning things right side out. The mat scrubber, you're at a retreat. Hopefully you're not going to make a mess, but maybe somebody else has a messy mat, so show them how to clean out all the batting and everything else with this little guy. And then we've got our cute little caddy, our tool caddy here that you can use to put all your tools standing up in. And when you've got them in there and you turn it over, they're not going to fall out. Take advantage of this bundle. As I said, we've got about 50 of the 10 by 14. We've got about 40 of the 11 by 17.5. You choose the small or the large retreat kit. I hope you pick this up, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Have fun.